watching Apple Tech Beast.
This is Apple Tech Beast with an unboxing of the MSI Z87 GD65 Gaming motherboard. Now, as you can see on these nice videos of the box of the case, of the box of the motherboard, sorry, god damn it. I've filmed twice today and I've called products cases when they're nothing to do with cases. But anyway, you can see that the box is very, very nice looking. It's got the Dragon sort of MSI Gaming series branding all over it. It says that it's got killer Ethernet, it's got the special sound amplifiers in it with all the gold-plated audio jacks, and you can just read some of the specs on the back of the box as well, just filmed. And yeah, it's a very, very nice looking motherboard as well as the box looking nice. It's all red and black orientated, as my whole build is, as you will see in the next couple of months when I do videos of it all. But yeah, let's go into the actual unboxing of this motherboard. Oh my god, it's not good. Keep saying it. Right, so anyway, let's flip this box over. It's not a massive box, it's quite a nice sized, well, it's the size of a motherboard box basically. Nothing special. In here it's all black, which is cool. You can't really see much of that, but anyway, here you can see the motherboard itself in a little thing. I'll get the motherboard out and show you some cool shots of that. And now I'll move the camera so you can see what's inside the box. Right, so there you go. Now you can see inside the box nice and clearly. So here you can see we've got a software and application user guide, which basically says about drivers and all the stuff you need to download to get the motherboard fully up to date and running. Well, here is a sort of quick installation guide which shows you how to, say, screw the motherboard into the case you have. Here's the back I/O plate, which is really, really cool. It's all red and black orientated once again. So yeah, you'll see that in my next videos when I do the gaming PC things. Here's the MSI SLI, is it? Yeah, SLI thing for your two GPUs. SATA cables, and we have this, which I don't know what it actually is. It's sort of a connector for something. Here are your voltage testing cable bits, and here is your driver installation CD. This side is more interesting. Here you have your user guide, which is also got the Dragon branding on it, which looks really cool. You've got an MSI Gaming G series, or gaming series with a G in the middle, sort of metal sticker, which looks really cool. I'm not going to put this on my case because it might look a bit over the top, but anyway. And you also have a door hanger which says "I'm sorry Biz and Gaming" or "I'm not here," which is quite cool. And that is it inside the box. And as you can see there, if you can actually read it, it's in focus, it says "my weapon of choice," and then it's got a QR. What was it? The code that you can scan with your phone. I've completely forgotten the name of it, but yeah, anyway, let's move this box out of the way and I'll move on to the actual motherboard itself. Right, so here is the motherboard. I'm just going to take it out of this thing. Right, so as you may have noticed then, I was handling the motherboard very carefully, making sure not to touch any resistors or anything that could snap off, or to discharge any of my static on the board. But yeah, this board is incredibly good looking. So it's got a black PCB, I think it's called, whatever the backboard is called, the base sort of thing. Everything else is black and red orientated, and with the Dragon heat sinks and sort of stuff. It's absolutely awesome. Like all of this here, your CPU mount bracket things, that's all sort of chromed in a sort of dark black chrome sort of finish. It looks really, really cool. I'll be showing you some awesome shots of it now. And then you have all your gold-plated audio jacks on that side with a HDMI inbuilt, so you can run off your integrated graphics on your CPU. And yeah, this is a pretty awesome motherboard. You also have your overclock genie function there, which means you can overclock with one press of a button rather, to overclock RAM and the CPU and possibly the GPU all at the same time. Thanks for watching this video. I will be doing a gaming PC. Well, I'm going to build myself a gaming PC. I'm not quite sure whether I'm going to actually do a series on how to build a gaming PC, but I'll definitely do some time lapses and some reviews of all the products that I'm going to use in it, and then I'm going to do gaming videos also eventually as well. But please subscribe if you want to see more from this motherboard and the power supply that I just unboxed also. And also I'm going to review the case that I'm using, the graphics card that I'm eventually going to purchase, which is a 770, 780 or a 780 Ti, depending on where the prices go with new releases of graphics cards. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. Please like the Facebook page, please follow on Instagram and all that sort of stuff, all links in the description. There's a link in the description also to where you can buy this motherboard. In the UK, I think it's about £120, £130 in the UK, and I think that's about $200 in the US. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, hope you enjoyed it, and goodbye.